Today we're going to get on with some chassis welding. It's time we got stuck into it. I'm just heading down to collect the gas that I ordered the other day. It's now in stock. Right, we've got the gas. Now there shouldn't be anything stopping us from getting on with this car. So I need to get changed and we'll get out there and start grinding. You know when I said that there was nothing to stop me from doing this? Mother Nature. I'm still going to get another car and grind it up. Right, so the plan of action is we're going to grind all this up to about here, and then we're going to put a plate in the top right the way along, covering all this up, and seam weld it all. Right, that's all been ground back. I've ground round the edges. That will give us a nice area to weld to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this hole up and pull out any of the rubbish that's inside. That'll at least try and stop it from rotting as much as it normally would. So I've made this tool out of just a piece of pipe, but it allows me to get into the chassis and scrape out all the rubbish, and there's a lot of it. All of that has just come out of there. So I'm going to sweep that up, and I think I'm going to have to take this arm off so that we can get access to this bit here and give that a good grinding up. So I've decided I'm going to drop the car down off the ramps because I need to remove some of these suspension arms, and it's just too high to get the jack under. So I'm going to drop it down off the ramps, move it back to where it should be, and then I'm going to take both this side wheels off, because then we can clean the whole of the chassis up. I'm going to take all the suspension components off. That'll give us a nice clean run, and we can give it a right good paint then. Now we have the wheels off, we can get access to this radius arm, and we need to remove that part. I might take the whole thing off though. Now the radius arm's removed, we've got space to move under here now. We can start grinding that up and getting that ready for the new patch. So now we're going to measure it and start cutting out a new piece of plate to go over this. this is the plate, and it's going to go on there like that, and I'm going to tack weld it at the bottom here, and then we'll just gradually bend it up to the shape of the chassis. So that is the patch in place. I'm going to grind it all up now and then seam weld it, make it look a bit nicer. Right, so that's the first patch done. It's not pretty. I'm not really fussed about what it looks like. I know it's solid. It's a good solid piece of steel on the bottom of the chassis now. I've done it at a 3mm steel. The chassis originally is done at a 2mm, so it's a mil thicker, and yeah, it's going to be a bit stronger. I've ground everything back, just cleaned it up to make it look a little bit nicer, and then we're just going to blast a lot of paint on it, and hopefully that gets us through for another year. Obviously we've got a few more patches to do, but yeah, once it's all done, it should be solid for at least a year or so, and then we can get another chassis. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed seeing this first patch go on. If you've got any comments, drop them down below. Anything else, don't forget to subscribe.